Let's see how to use rulers and guides in your Wix website. Utilizing rulers and guides in Wix helps you position elements with precision, ensuring a well-structured and visually appealing site. And in this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to enable and use rulers and guides using the Wix editor. First, you need to open your Wix account. Open it on your browser, and once you're in, click Design Your Website. In the top bar of the Wix editor, find Tools and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Check the box labeled Rulers to display the rulers along the top and left sides of the editor. To add the guide, click on either the horizontal or vertical ruler and drag the guide onto your page. Position the guide at your desired location to assist in aligning elements accurately. To remove a guide, click on it to select, then press Delete on the keyboard. Once you've set up your rulers and guides, you can begin aligning your site elements with precision. Turn off the guide, find Tools, and uncheck the rulers. That's how to use rulers and guides in your Wix website. See you soon!